Hi everyone. Today I'm sharing a simple breakfast option you can use during Dr. Scholl's detox, or even after the program, or in between cleanses if you're spreading them out. We're making chia seed porridge. Take a look at that. And it's honestly one of my favorite ways to start the day. Chia seeds are incredibly nourishing. They support digestion, help keep you full, provide steady energy, and offer omega-3s, antioxidants, and fiber. Everything in this recipe stays true to the core principles Dr. Scholl's teaches: whole, unprocessed, plant-based foods that support the body's natural healing. I didn't find anything in his published materials that conflicts with the ingredients I'm using here, so I chose them carefully to align with that clean food philosophy. And of course, this is my own personal take. So as always, listen to your own body and follow what feels right for you during your detox. Okay, ready? Let's get started. These are all the ingredients you'll need for the chia seed porridge. And all of the superfoods work together to support your digestion, hormones, and overall vitality. Start by adding 1 cup of chia seeds into your bowl. Next, pour 3 cups of coconut or hemp milk. This will allow the chia seeds to swell up and form a soft gel. That's what gives this porridge a thick, creamy texture. Sweeten the taste with agave, maple syrup, or any other natural sweetener of your choice. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Add a 1/4 cup of goji berries to help boost energy and support healthy skin. Cacao nibs are antioxidant rich and packed with magnesium. Add just a pinch of sea salt to round out the flavors. Add 1 tablespoon of raw cacao powder. Add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 1 tablespoon of maca powder. This gives energy and supports hormones, especially during cleanses. It really doesn't matter what order you add the ingredients. Give everything a good stir and let it thicken for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add any fruit of your choice. Top it off with more cacao nibs to add that extra crunch. This porridge is nourishing, energizing, and fits beautifully into a clean eating lifestyle. If you try it, let me know in the comments.